Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving the verification code from Skrill. First, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes emails from Skrill can be filtered there, so make sure to look through those folders and add Skrill to your safe sender list to prevent this in the future. Next, verify that the email address linked to your Skrill account is correct and active. If the email is wrong or no longer accessible, you may not receive the verification message. Also, make sure you haven't accidentally blocked emails from Skrill in your inbox settings. If they are blocked, remove the block so their messages can reach you. If the email code still doesn't arrive, try using another verification method if it's available. For example, you can choose phone number verification or authenticate through the Skrill mobile app instead. These steps should help you resolve the issue and receive your verification code successfully.